Introducing Dell EMC PowerOne Autonomous Infrastructure, a new Dell Technologies solution designed to modernize on-premises IT and automate business outcomes. PowerOne is built with best-in-class technology from Dell EMC, fully integrated and highly automated, lowering risk and speeding your time to value. We start with the world's fastest storage, PowerMax, for zero-touch provisioning and maximum performance. And combine that with industry-leading Compute PowerEdge MX to dynamically provision server resources with kinetic infrastructure. This is connected by enterprise-class open networking, delivering a 98% reduction in network configuration steps. The entire system is then highly automated with the built-in autonomous controller powered by Kubernetes, Ansible, and a microservices architecture that highly automates thousands of tasks and delivers next-generation autonomous outcomes. PowerOne, the power of Dell EMC as one. The unique automation delivered by PowerOne extends throughout the entire life of the system, from day one to future upgrades. With Launch Assist, PowerOne gets you up and running in rapid time, with lower risk and a 98% reduction in manual tasks compared to do-it-yourself infrastructure. Once in production, Lifecycle Assist increases efficiency and optimizes resources, ensuring components are always safely kept up to date. And when time comes to add new resources, Expansion Assist makes the adoption of new technologies seamless and fast, ensuring you can always meet new demands and stay ahead of the competition. PowerOne's automation gives you the capability to deploy workload-ready VMware clusters in just a few clicks. PowerOne also provides complete system validation, constantly checking infrastructure and ensuring a solid system state, delivering safe and smooth operations. PowerOne's best-in-class technology, automation and lifecycle assurance allow you to transform data center operations today and gain autonomous benefits for tomorrow. Dell EMC PowerOne, an all-in-one autonomous infrastructure system to transform IT and deliver business outcomes. Thank you for participating in the PowerOne virtual reality experience. Speak with one of our representatives to learn more about Dell EMC PowerOne.